Okay. Friday. We had scenario 1. Open. Couple of tick test lower. Not really, just open and straight up. No, a tick low. Oh, there is a tick. Alright. We open at 75. And without a dip down, which was expected and part of my scenario, we went to 700 century figure. Just as the scenario. Today, in the overnight, Friday afternoon, Friday evening, we opened, we tested higher. Immediately excess high. Fell down. Retested, failed. And it's been selling off ever since. European session open, made a V bottom, and it's on top of the overnight VPOC. So overall, balanced profile with downward skew. It's interesting how we have this head and shoulder pattern. We've got right down to where we were on Friday morning. Pit session. Like one tick below it, below the open on Friday, and with prices drifted up on a weakish delta, not entirely, but not very strong, to the midpoint and the VPOC. So overall, balanced. We have never got above the midline just into a few minutes ago. We've stayed below the VWAP throughout the overnight session. Okay, so my scenarios based on that analysis are as follows. Scenario 1. The full session profiles, both of them in the last high, 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 low. VPOCs are in line. Scenario 1 is very shallow pullback, if any. To the 84. Value area low on Friday. And then value area high at 95 and 50. And then the overnight VPOC at 705. And possibly a slight extension above that. So that's scenario 1. This is just continuing after the reversal, impulse continuation, pullback and reversal, correction. After correction, we've found our buyers again, by the looks of it, and we are continuing higher the trend from last week. So that's why scenario 1 is to the upside. Scenario 2, we're open right on top of the VPOC, overnight VPOC, right on top of the Friday pit session VPOC. So completely balanced. The inventory is flat, so it's with or without a small push up. Scenario 2, we're heading down for the LVN at 680. And then the overnight low at 72.25 gives a range of around 20 points, and then to the VPOC at 68. That's my scenario 2. This will infill an area of the macro composite between the 68 VPOC and the 90 even HVN. Fill this area. The auction will auction this area. So scenario 3. Scenario 3 is we'll sell lower to the 660 HVN. And scenario 4 is we have a similar push-up like we had on Friday. Take us to so 116 stalks on. This will give us a range of around how much is it? 30 points.